Hello, Happy New Year and welcome back to Start Select. We've made a resolution to have a better year than ever, so let's get right to it, shall we? Not least because the ancient Mayans predict this is the last year we're all going to spend, you know, alive. Coming up then, PSP Vita sales suddenly lacking vitality, and the Fallout is at an end. Bethesda and Interplay kiss, make up and sit down for a Nuka-Cola. Hi there. Now, you may remember last year we reported the PS Vita had a pretty healthy, if not groundbreaking, first week of sales in Japan. At 325,000 units sold in the land of the rising sun, it outperformed its predecessor, the PSP, didn't quite best the 3DS, and was a fair distance short of selling out. The second week of sales, though, paints a much, much less pretty picture. Here's an artist's impression. A 78% sales slump week on week has hit the PSP Vita, meaning it's now fallen behind Sony's last handheld, the original PSP, and all other consoles currently on the market. According to website Andrea Sang, the Vita shifted just 78,000 units in its second week, while the 3DS galloped past the 4 million sales mark 2 months before Nintendo CEO Satoru Iwata hoped the glasses-free gadget would. So it seems Japan might be voting with its feet, that is to say putting them up and not bothering to go buy a Vita, but what do you think? Is the same thing going to happen worldwide? Is it just Japan that's not feeling the vibes on Vita, or are traditional handhelds themselves simply in trouble? Let us know, we love feedback. Next up, whether or not you've been paying particular attention to gaming news since 2009, chances are you've heard about the legal battle between companies Bethesda and Interplay over rights to the Fallout universe. In a nutshell, Interplay asserted it held the rights to create a Fallout MMO, whereas Bethesda disagreed. Now, according to Fallout fan site Duck and Cover, almost 3 years later, the legal dispute is over. The companies have allegedly released an out-of-court settlement on the day of the case itself, no less. There are no specifics as to the details of the agreement as yet, but presumably these should be forthcoming before too long. Which company will retain the rights? Taking all bets, though obviously we aren't taking any bets because that'll probably get us in quite a lot of legal trouble. Just leave us a comment instead. In the meantime, that's all from me for now, but there'll be more Start Select for you tomorrow. Don't touch that dial, it's probably nothing to do with your computer and it might break something. Hello, sound check, blah-de-blah, la-la-la-la-la. For breakfast, I have had nothing, which is why my stomach just rumbled. At 325,000 units sold in the land of the rising sun, is that racist? Is it? It's not. Okay. I don't think so. Good. I meant to check if it was racist by googling, is that racist, when I got in, but anyway. The companies have that is racist. The companies have not again. Allegedly released.